Where are they?
Anybody gonna read out the number?
Oh my God.
well, it ain't me because Jester
Carly,
and,
go in there.
and
I can't
Mario.
read it. It's gibberish to me.
121 468 4. Oh, that's tough. 4392.
Did you teleport yourself?
To do that.
Your call cannot be completed as dialed. Please check the number and dial again.
Well,
Yep.
Hopefully we get ourselves some slendy pages this time.
I hope we just get a bunch of whoopee cushions. Imagine a whole mine shaft full of whoopee cushions. That'd be funny.
Imagine a whole facility full of pages.
Don't fall down there.
We could kill him twice.
I don't think they do what you think they do, buddy.
8 pages and he's dead.
I don't think it's that.
He doesn't know how it works.
He doesn't get it. Fuck.
He will take me to his slender mansion when I collect 9.
He's still on with this goddamn mansion. I swear to Christ.
8 kills him, 9, he's your friend.
Whee!
What is it? Rubik's Cube.
Rubik's Cube, you know what they say about those?
Rubik's Cube. I hardly know her.
Shut the fuck up.
That was really good.
Don't go in there.
Do not.
Oh, don't look what I got!
Do not seek the treasure.
Fuck!
Hey.
Oh God, no!
Look what I got, Connor.
Oh, he went to
No!
I'm jumping for joy!
Don't go that way! Don't go that way!
What's this way?
Get me the fuck out of here.
Whoa, that's a bad one.
Ow.
You guys think that's the exit? You guys go
He's
the
gonna
wrong
take me to
way.
his mansion.
He's
Oh my
gonna
God,
take me to
this
his
sucks.
slendy mansion. I'm gonna crochet him a hat.
Engine.
Don't say that.
We don't say that anymore.
Pull the power.
Oh my God. Fuck. Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we
The
going?
Oh my
exit.
God.
Where are all of you going?
Fucking Christ.
We're not going the way we should
You're
go.
going deeper.
Let's freaking out.
Everybody get it.
Run!
Are you serious? I'm playing it. I'm just gonna go ahead and go right to the fire exit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah, Beehive.
Where?
Beehive right when you drop down.
Beehive.
Oh, Beehive.
I was too safe
Oh,
away from it.
Beehive. Carly,
My flashlight died.
where did you go?
I'm right here.
I thought we were going to the exit.
Oh.
You got a lot of shit to drop off.
Oh, we gotta go. Gotta go.
Come on. My
Oh,
flashlight died.
we gotta get the fuck out of here.
Jester, gotta go. Gotta go. Gotta go. Wait.
Go.
Good luck. Anyways, can anybody carry those items on the ground?
Oh my
The
God.
fucking giant
He
is
was
standing
winding.
next to the ship.
Back in time.
Billy Tyson.
I can't sing any Back to the Future music because Connor hates Back to the Future.
Yeah.
How is that
Excuse me?
possible?
No, I'm kidding.
I don't know.
No, Mitchell,
I
Mitchell,
almost
no, don't
wasn't
do
his
this to
friend
me.
because of
What?
it was really hard to get over it.
Connor, I've turned on
Wow, Connor.
you.
Wow.
Connor, we're uncooled now. I'm sorry. You did this.
Why are you just standing there
Sorry,
menacingly?
I just processed how to hold this needle.
Jesus
Oh my
Christ.
god.
Come on, Doris. We got loot to get.
What did you say? You're gonna have to speak into my good ear.
See you at the bottom.
No, don't leave me! This is not wheelchair accessible.
Coming back.
What'd you say?
I'm a little too confident.
Hey, pal.
Hey, buddy.
Oh no, 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 no.
There's a thumper down here, so you may want to go back to the elevator.
There's only one way left to go.
Goodbye, Connor.
Fuck you, asshole. Fucking goodbye. Well.
Well.